In today's video, I'm going to show you how you might be able to get a Netflix subscription without paying directly. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open any browser on your device. Then, click on the search bar and type Netflix free trial. Once you search for it, you'll notice that Netflix doesn't officially offer a free trial anymore. However, there are still alternative ways to access Netflix through bundled offers. Now, go back to the search bar and type T-Mobile Netflix. After that, click on the relevant link you see in the results. Once you open the page, you may notice that this offer isn't available in every country. It's mainly available in regions like the United States. So, check if your country is supported. If it is, then you're good to go. To proceed, look for the option that says, "How do I activate?" and follow the steps provided there. This will guide you through the process of accessing Netflix through the offer. And that's one way people can access a Netflix subscription through partner deals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.